Hello, buenos dias. Today I am taking you on a journey of colors. I'm finally jumping on the kind of hair trend that was kind of popular in summer. It's okay, better late than never. Today I will take you neon green. I spilled some on my hand and within a minute of removing it, it had already stained it. Also my robe. This video is going to be interesting. It is finally time to get on kind of the neon green, kind of a hair trend that legit everyone has been doing, from Kim Kardashian to a bunch of Instagrammers, and you know, it's a cute little thing. I've personally never gone green in any sense, or at least not purposefully, because it's one of the colors that I've never done. So I have a freshly new wig. Basically, whenever I know I'm going to be doing like a DIY color at home, I always opt for a blonde wig, like a pre-bleached blonde wig. This one is from vpfashion.com. They have amazing extensions, which is what I normally use them from, but they also have wigs, which is amazing because they sent me their latest one, basically whatever. Straight bleached wig. I'd say it's about 18 inches. I'll check. Anyways, it's got little layers in it, but basically it's perfect for our experiment. I'm going to link this exact one in the description box below so that you could do the exact same thing for yourself. Dyes. I've had these two dyes for a long time and I've been wanting to use them, but I did not know what to do with them. So now that the trend of the neon green has died down, it's time to jump on it. This is the neon green. It is HD Colors by Salerm Cosmetics. I accidentally opened it and it had like pressure in it, and all of the dye like kind of exploded from it and landed all over my hand, and it's got incredibly staining abilities. It is their neon green color, full tube, because I've never used it before. I think I'm also going to mix it with a bit of this Pulpriot color called Lemon. It's a bright yellow. Yeah, everything is going to be down in the description box below. I do have a coupon for the wig so that you can buy the exact same one if you want to do the exact same color. Without further ado, it's time to get on the slime. They say the grass is always greener on the other side, but my hair is greener than anything. Shine on this wig is so intense that it's coming off vaguely synthetic. This is not a synthetic wig. I think I need to oomph my wig up. Hi Stella, can you please make a green hair dyeing tutorial? Ow. Green hair has been one of those things that is like in a special box of hair colors that I thought I would never do. It was just green is a very, very selective, particular color that there's a higher chance of screwing up than acing. Regardless, I'm not gonna get anywhere in life if all I do is things that I know are going to turn out good, things that are in my comfort zone. So instead I decided, you know, I've got green dye, I've got yellow dye, I've got a wig, I've got, you know, hope and faith in myself. So I decided to go for neon slime green. I'm liking it. I'm living for the wig itself, the manufacturing of the wig. It's actually not that long, which, you know, it's great because usually all of my wigs are really long and I'm almost getting a bit tired of the length. So I'm really happy that this one came with kind of a layered cut and not as long, so I'm loving that. So yeah, I'm gonna put the link of this wig down in the description box below because this would be a great starter wig if you want to DIY your own kind of a color, if you do want to take a bigger risk, but instead of dyeing your own hair green, you'd go for a wig. I will also put the whole dyeing process in the description box below. It was kind of an easy dyeing thing because it was semi-permanent colors and whatever you have in the bowl, you're gonna get on your hair. Oh yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give it a go and I will see you in my next video. If I could take back the clock, I'd make sure that I defeated the dark. Spend every hour of every day keeping you safe. I climb every mountain, swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken.